Welcome back to Makeup Reality, and today we have kind of a special thing going on. You guys know that I get these Ipsy boxes every month, and this is my second Ipsy box that I've received. So, and of course, let's just rant for just a second. One thing that I always like is a surprise when I'm getting, any subscription box. Most of them now do let you go ahead and choose, what you're going to, one item that you're going to get if you're getting the smaller box, like the Ipsy Glam Plus or just the BoxyCharm regular box. You get one choice item in those, and with that, that's great that I get to choose that item. I'm happy to do that, and I like that idea. I think it's great. But Ipsy, when they've sent out your box, when you check your email, it shows you what you've gotten. And I don't know why that bugs me so much. I guess that's because I do like a really good surprise when I'm opening up my box. So I already know what's in here because of my email. Thanks, Ipsy, for that. Appreciate it. But we're going to get into that today. That's what we're doing. We're going to unbox the month of July's Ipsy box. So this is the Glam Bag Plus, and this one retails for $25, and you get 5 full-size products, and you get a makeup bag in it. If you guys have never heard of Ipsy, I would definitely check them out. They are really good. Now, BoxyCharm, me and BoxyCharm have a love-hate relationship. I canceled them because their customer service really does suck, and they sent me items that were broken. All of my items were broken, leaking everywhere, and they looked like they were used. It was really disgusting. But that's for, I've already told you guys about that in a previous video, so we're not going to go there. But that's why I don't have, that comparison between BoxyCharm and Ipsy. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this box and stop the jibber jabber. All right, guys, so it says discover yourself. Cool. I love the yellow foam in here. I don't know why. It just brings like a whole new level to this box. I just love it. I think it is so cute. They do such a good job with their packaging. I'm very much impressed. And guys, I have peeked and kind of broken the seal on a lot of these things because I don't want to be fighting with them during the video. But the first thing that we have in our box, let's just go ahead and jump into it. We have the little maquillage Color Boss multi-dimensional eye color. And that is what it looks like. Super, super cute. It's really heavy, guys. Actually, it feels like really good quality. I've never had anything for Lil Maquillage. Probably gonna start now because this is so cute. It opens up like that. That is adorable. Like, that's how you get into it. That is adorable. That is like A+ packaging. Good job. And then you've got your little silver tin here, and I'm sorry if I'm like flashing you guys with this, but the shade name is Shopaholic. That's perfect because I am a shopaholic and I can't stop buying things. My husband is like, all right, that's enough out of you. But this is so cute. Like, this color is absolutely gorgeous. Let me go ahead and swatch that for you guys. It's like a creamy texture. So let's just go ahead. Oh my God, it swatches so good. Let me show you guys. Do you see this? It has got like a kind of a metallic to it. It's got like a metallic sheen to it. It's pinky, kind of pinky rose gold-ish color. I think that's really gorgeous, and this was one of my choice items, so I'm super happy that I went with that. The next thing that we have in our box is the Billion Dollar Brow 60 Seconds to Beautiful Brow. So it's kind of a tiny little package, but I don't know. Oh, okay. So we've got the little brow powder. If you guys can see that, let me open it up. Okay, it's a twist, I think. Yep. So that is the brow powder. And it does come with this little spoolie and eyebrow brush here. And that is super cute. It's a little small. I wish, you know, maybe it was a little bit bigger, but that's fine. I'm just happy it came with, you know, the necessary tools to do your brows. And that is in the shade Taupe. So if you guys can see that again. I think that's going to be perfect, the perfect shade. So good job, Ipsy, for choosing the correct shade for me. I love it. Next up, we have the thing that I was going to choose. So I'm super pleased with this. It is the Tarte C Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. And it's in the shade Black. Let me get her out. Oh, see, I like that. That is so cute. And I'm getting I've got makeup all over my fingers, so I've got makeup all over this already. But this is what she looks like. Super, super cute. Yeah, I really like that. I like the color. It's like a seafoam color, so that's really pretty. Let's go ahead and take a look at the applicator, because that's super important. I don't like the silicone applicators. I like the actual bristled brush applicators, and that's what this has, is the bristled brush applicator. I think me and this mascara are going to get along pretty well. I've got so many mascaras, but oh honey, it's like an addiction. Anything makeup, I'm all for it. So you can never have enough makeup. That's what I think. But I could be wrong. Next up, the one thing that I am most excited about is this Ofra highlighter. Guys, I don't have an Ofra highlighter, so I am super duper excited. This is the Ofra Nikki Tutorials highlighter in the shade Glazed Donut. I literally was shopping before I had any idea what was going on with this box, what was in it. I was shopping on Ofra's website and I had this in my cart, and I was like, well, you know, I'll get that at a later time. Maybe they'll go on sale, you know, whatever. But I got it in my Ipsy bag, so it was super cool. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for us, because that is so pretty. Let's go ahead and get her on. That is so pretty, guys. That is gorgeous. I am in love with this highlighter right now. Yes, ma'am. Give me more. I need more of these. Where has this been all my life? All right. That was, so far, this box has just been absolutely perfect. I could not ask for a better box. Ipsy, you really have outdone yourself with this. Really. You've taken my quiz that I've given you all my preferences and literally did everything right. Yes, ma'am. I'm so excited right now. All right. Last but definitely not least, I do love a good sheet mask, and that's what I got here. And it's the hyaluronic acid moisturizing mask. 0 preservatives or conservators. I don't know how to talk today or pronunciate. Oh my God. What is wrong with me? Anyways, it's by Mid-Flower Pure Series, and that's what they look like. There is 3 sheet masks. I am a hoarder of sheet masks. I'm not, like, y'all don't even know. I have a specific, like, drawer bin that has 3 drawers in it, and they are completely filled to the brim with sheet masks. So if y'all have any sheet masks that you do not want, please send them my way. Your girl would be forever grateful if she got, like, 1 sheet mask. That would be like Christmas to me. I love these things. But yeah, these are definitely one of the best. If it's got hyaluronic acid in it, it's gonna be moisturizing, and it's definitely gonna make your face off, girlfriend. Okay, let's move on to the last item, which is the bag. I think that is so cool. Like, Ipsy does the 5 items, and that is it. Like, there's no extra anything that says BoxyCharm on it or anything. And I think that is so cool that Ipsy gives out these makeup bags, because you know every girl wants and uses makeup bags. Like if you're traveling or, you know, through the day, you want to put some essential makeup stuff in your makeup bag and put it in your purse, because your makeup sometimes doesn't stay on all day and you got to touch it up. But this one is super, super cute. It's like a plasticky kind of, they were going for like, you know, summertime, vacation, that kind of thing. And this would be absolutely perfect to like take to the beach, because it's got that plastic feel. Like, I don't know if you guys can hear the plastic. I always have to smell it. It smells like, you know, when you're like blowing up a tube to float on, or like a pool floaty, that's what this smells like. Yeah, I think this is super adorable. Of course, it says Ipsy on the back. I think that's a great idea. I like having things like, if you're buying a mystery box or a subscription box, anything like that, you want to have something in there that says that brand's name to make it known that that came from that brand. So I think that's a really good idea. Ipsy, you have outdone yourself, ma'am. Thank you. Let's go ahead and take a look at the card. It says take a break. So that's the front. These don't come with prices. I think that's the only thing that I really don't like about the box, is that I want to know how much my stuff costs, because of course you want to know if it adds up to what, you know, you paid for. And of course I know this stuff absolutely went above and beyond what I paid for it, but yeah, I think this was probably the best box that I've ever gotten in a subscription. Ipsy, honey, you are the queen bee of the subscription game right now. Like, that box was hella good. Like, that was amazing. Good job. Kudos to you. High five. Whatever we need. But guys, yeah, that was the end of it. We are all finished with our unboxing. Let's do a recap of everything that we got real quick, because that's always fun. All right, so we got the masks. We got the amazing glazed donut highlighter by Nikki Tutorials and Ofra. And then we got the Little Maquillage Color Boss in the shade Shopaholic. Super cute, super heavy, amazing packaging. Good job. And then we have the Tarte C Mascara. Love this. I think we are going to get along and be BFFs soon. And then we've got the $1 Billion Brows. Definitely going to try this out, because I need new brow stuff. Definitely needed new brow powder, and that's what this is. It's brow powder. And then we got the bag. So that is what we got in our box this month for the month of July. Thank you guys for sticking around and hanging out with me. I really enjoyed it. You guys are the best. I want to talk about a little bit about how I wasn't around. And, you know, I took a break for a little bit, but I am back. I needed some time for myself. I needed some time to get re-energized, you know, think of some great things for this channel, and, you know, kind of take a step back and see the bigger picture of what I'm doing. I want to not only, you know, of course, do makeup and do all that stuff. I wanna be able to teach, you know, how to do the right things. And I think one important key thing for that is for me to know what I'm doing. So I did a lot of, you know, practicing. Of course, I'm not perfect. I'm not a professional. I didn't go to class, but I am self-taught, and I have done my research, and I have done, you know, the necessary steps to feel like I'm okay to do a YouTube channel and to show you guys what to do. You know, if you need help with something, or you need someone to show you how to do a certain step, like whether it be brows or lipstick or whatever it is, I want to make sure that I am able to tell you that in confidence. And that's why I had to take a step back and just kind of figure out what I'm doing for my YouTube channel, because the number one goal is to inspire you. I want to build inspiration for girls and, you know, guys or whoever is watching my videos. That's the number one goal here, is to inspire and motivate. Like, that's the thing. That's what my channel is going to be about. Sure, we're going to be doing makeup because makeup is life, but the main point is inspiration to make you guys feel good in your own skin. Like, don't let anybody ever tell you that you should change, because who you are is what you were intended to be. We need you to be who you are for this world to be what it is. Like, I know I'm getting deep here, and I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, but that's why I had to take a step back. I wanted to make sure that I was doing what was right for my channel and for my audience, what was right for you guys. But now I know what I'm doing now, and I think I'm back, and I'm going to try to do at least one video per week. You guys can catch me on TikTok and Instagram, Facebook, you name it. I'm on there. I'm ready to roll. I've got Twitter. All of those are very exhausting to keep up, so I'm sorry. I will do my best to be better about posting videos, and there will be bonus videos, but I really wanted to bring, you know, this box on here as a get back in kind of thing, just kind of something to, you know, go through and hang out with you guys and just chill. So thanks for relaxing with me and hanging out with me. Go ahead and click the subscribe button if you are new. We would love to have you here, have you hang out with us. You are more than welcome. Remember to spread the love, not hate. We love everybody. And just, more importantly, love yourself in your own skin, because you're amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was Makeup Reality, and you guys have a fantastic rest of your night. Mwah!